Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, in this video, I'm going to be going over email marketing for beginners. Okay, it's a simple and easy way, and it is free as well too. The plans start at free and it goes up from there. Alright, so I'm just going to give you a quick example due to time constraints for the video. I already created a funnel here. So we'll just click on that, but for future reference, you just click on create and then put in the name of the funnel, and then you're going to choose build an audience here. But we're just going to click on one that I already created. All right, you could save the funnel, you could view it, you could edit the funnel, you could make a copy of it as well, or change page template. So we're going to go and click on edit page. Okay, and this is one I created for a program I'm already in. So it looks pretty elegant and nice, and I do like the way it turned out. In the later video, I'm going to show you how to construct or build a funnel. Okay, so we're going to just get out of there. All right, so now I'm going to show you how the email marketing works. Okay, so we're going to go over to emails and then campaigns. So to do that, we're going to click on create a campaign, and we're going to name it test. Okay, and then we're going to save it. All right, and then we're going to click on that, and then so we clicked on it, right? So now we're going to add an email. Okay, so they have a couple of things here. Okay, so they have the sender name, sender email address, and then subject. Okay, and here's some I've already done. Okay, so we'll just put that in there. And they have the visual editor and then classic editor. Okay, so for this purpose, we're not gonna click on visual editor. We're just gonna click on classic editor and then hit create. Okay, so we're gonna put in, just say thank you. Oops. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, we're gonna put that in, and then we'll hit save. Okay, and that's your first email. Okay, so now we're gonna do a 7-day. Well, for example, we're gonna do a 7-day follow-up series, and then we're just gonna add an email. Okay, so this is gonna be our second one. All right, so then we're gonna go to classic editor, and then we're just gonna put in, our second follow-up email. But when we hit save and publish now, see what comes up? Now, delay before sending email. So we're gonna put at least 1 day. All right, and then that's actually this is the first email that goes out. So that's in 0 minutes. Okay, and then we'll hit publish. Or actually, hold on. So just click on this one again. Go back out of here. Okay, so we'll click on this, and we'll change this email here. We have two of the same subjects, so we'll just put this one as that and then save it as publish. See what? So we'll put 1 day, and then after the first email. So it'll just pretty much go in order. All right. So that is a quick short video on how you create an email campaign. Now, if you do have a hard time writing emails or getting some ideas, you could use this program or software that I'm using. There is a free trial as well too. It's called Jarvis.ai, or I'm sorry, they changed the name to Jasper.ai. And then I'm going to show you a quick example right now. So this is web talk that I'm promoting. So to create a quick email, or if you want to do like a 7-day or 10-day follow-up, just click on generate AI content, and here are the subject lines. Okay, if you want to create the actual cold email, we'll just go to email here. So go to email and then personalized cold emails. And then put in your company name, and then boom, see, it creates the email for you. And like I said, it'll create as many emails as you need. You could just go up to 10 here, or 9 or 10, doesn't matter. And then it'll generate the content. And all you have to do is edit it, click on it. You could edit it within the example here. And you already have your 9, 10-day, even up to 30-day follow-up series. All right. Now, if you are interested in joining any of the programs I mentioned, including WebTalk, systeme.io, go ahead and click the link below in the description. Have a good one.